Welcome to another episode on our channel. Today we're going to talk about Aquaman, who is played by Jason Momoa. This is the art box for Aquaman, and it is in brilliant shades of green. So it's basically going to follow the same form and style of the other boxes, except for the primary color tones used. So there's his name on the side. Same slogan on the back, you can't save the world alone. And the other side, and of course, the main image for him. This is the wonderful box as well. So we'll pause and I'll take whatever's in the box out and we'll see what kind of accessories he has. So in terms of accessories, there aren't a ton of things. He does have some extra hands. He has the fist hands, so they're really closed. You can't hold anything in these hands. He's got one hand that's slightly open, so you can kind of see it here. I'll turn around here. And then this one is more, it's a left-handed, more grasping. So here you go from the side and here. He has some extra wrist joints, which is very important in case one of them breaks. That's always nice when that's included in a figures box. And he has one mother box. Apparently there were 3 in the movie. This is more in shades of gold, which actually matches his uniform quite well, his outfit, uniform, whatever you want to call it. Primarily green, but with lots of gold in it. And you'll see that in a second, because we'll pause and get his figure out so you can see him in greater detail. Here's our Aquaman. He's in a brilliant green with tons of gold mixed into it. I love the outfit. I just wish they could have used some more material, actual material, just to soften the look a bit more. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents worth. But he does look great. And we'll pause now and get him on a turntable so we can see different angles. Here he is in a pose I like with his spear. I'll just turn him around so that you can see him from different angles. It would be nice if his hair wasn't molded. It gives you a little more to work with in terms of posing a figure, but maybe that'll happen more and more over the course of time. We'll find out. And again, I wish they would have softened him up with more actual material, but he still looks awesome. All right. So we'll pause and get some closer, tighter close-ups, and then a close-up of his face. Here he is. You can see some more details. His outfit, again, is brilliant. I'll just turn him slightly to one side so you can see his profile from this angle, as well as get him from the other side. And then we'll get a close-up of his face. All right. We'll pause now and get a close-up of his face. This is a wonderful head sculpt of Jason. And you can't deny that's him when you look at this head sculpt. I just wish they could have done the rooted hair option. I know that probably gets a bit more expensive, but that would have softened the look a bit, I think. Here is one last look at our primary figure, Aquaman, joined by his colleagues, Wonder Woman, Superman, and Batman. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.